What's up, nail friends? In today's video, we're going to be doing a video using Absence from Luminary Nail Systems that you can get from our store at the Nail Throne. So let's get started. So to start this set, I just want to show you guys how well Luminary lasts, and I'm going to show you some prep. So this is her set from a few weeks. I am going to show you guys this in another video, but this is how they turned out after a few weeks. Before filing down the set, I'm just gonna remove the embellishments first. And then I'm gonna be using a safety bit. This is a smooth top, small head safety bit. And I'm just going to use this and remove the color that's left on the nail and file it down to the thin base. So with Luminary, you can soak it off, and Kelly from Luminary Nail Systems has a video on her channel, and I will link that in my description box on how you can soak them off, but I'm just gonna file them off because it's a little bit quicker. So I'm just gonna take this and file it down to that base, and I'm gonna use it to shorten the nails as well. The cuticle tool I'm using here you can get from our site. You can see it's got that rounded head there. So you can use it to push the skin back and up, and it makes it easier for prep. So now I'm switching to a diamond tool, and I'm just going around and removing the skin. Then I'm switching to a pointy football tool, and I'm going down the right side first and then down the left side. It just helps get that extra little skin that's left behind. And then I'm switching to this tool that just helps get any extra skin that's left that didn't get taken off by the other tools. Then I brush the nails with an alcohol-filled brush and make sure to remove all the extra dust that's on the nail because dust causes lifting. And now I'm using my Commit primer to prime the nails. Now we can apply. So I am using my cuticle tool again to push back the skin again just to make it easier to get a closer application. And then I'm using the bottle, the 10 milliliter bottle of Absence, and I'm just applying a thin base layer. And I'm doing this on all 5 nails on the one hand and gonna give that a full cure. And then I repeat the process on the other hand as well. Then I'm grabbing my empty pink jar, and I'm gonna be pouring the 30 milliliters bottle of Absence into that jar. So it's the exact same product that's in the 10 milliliter bottle. And then I'm coming and I'm pushing the skin back again so I can get a closer application. Then I'm coming in and applying a super thin slip layer to start. So this will just help the little builder layer go where it needs to go and melt into it, making the application nice and smooth. So I just keep applying it until it's nice and smooth and even. And then you can kind of see me in the back there going into my jar and picking up a big dollop of that Absence color. And then I'm putting it near the cuticle area, and then I'm using my brush that's in my 10 milliliter bottle to kind of drag it down the nail. Sorry my hair got in the way a little bit here, but this was the best application I could pick out of the video because I accidentally had my hair down in this. But you guys can kind of see what I'm doing here. So then I'm going around at the tip here and trying to make it nice and even so that my application is good. Absence is really pigmented, so it doesn't really move around as much as some of the other colors might. So you really get to spend your time really perfecting your application. And as you can see there, that's how it looks. And then I gave that a cure. So I do each finger separately at a time. So I don't do all one hand, just so that they don't move around or anything. So just do one finger at a time, cure it, go to the next hand, do the next finger. So now I'm just wiping off the tacky layer that's there, and I'm just going to finish file these a little bit because I did see some imperfections in my application on some of the nails. So I file the sidewalls first and the tip, and then I take my hand file and I go up and down at the free edge just to smooth that out. After filing and shaping all the nails, I gave them a good cleanse, and now I'm coming in to do some Camo print, and the product I'm using is from Jellyfit Australia. I always use Jellyfit Australia to do any kind of hand painting. And I'm just using a dotting tool, and I'm kind of doing little dots and shaking my little dotting tool to create like a jagged look to it, giving a nice Camo print design. And I am curing my product in between each color. Once I'm happy with that, I give that a full cure. Before top coating, I am applying a thin layer of Absence again on all the nails, just because I did lose a little bit of color on this one finger on the corner there, and it was really bothering me. I like the nails to be nice and perfect and smooth and even. So I did want to apply just one thin coat of that absinthe, and it made the nails super shiny and super luscious. So I'm just adding a small gold triangle embellishment on the middle finger and the thumb. I got that from BB Beauty Box. And now I'm coming in with my Empower No Wipe top coat from Luminary. So I'm applying it a little bit thicker on the camo nails to fill in any ridges. And then I did apply it on top of the embellishment on the other nails just to help it stay in place and keep its color. So you'll want to give your top coat a full cure, and here is the finished design. So I absolutely love absinthe. This is the first time I used it and it turned out so pretty. Just so you guys know, Luminary is a base product, so it's base plus color, so your gel manicure won't chip, and you saw at the beginning they last super well. So if you guys are interested in trying out Luminary and you're in Canada, check it out at the Nail Throne, and I will link that down below, and make sure you check out the starter kits and the pro kits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!